up everyone? Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to play around with the new Patrick Starrr Diva collection, and I got the Boy About Town kit. So this is the quad, and if you've seen my previous video, I did some shades, swatches and all that, but here's what the different shades look like. And then this came with a lipstick, which is this guy right here. So yeah, so I figured I can do and show you guys like a look using this palette. So let's go ahead and start. So I'm going to prime my eyelids first using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use the NYX finishing powder to set my eyelids. So I'm going to, let's see, use this shade right here. Shade I'm going to use is this dark one. To spray this brush with some setting spray. And then I'm going to use this shade. Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna finish my eyes by applying mascara, some eyelashes, and do my brows, and I'll be right back. So I am back. So I finished my eye makeup and my foundation and my eyebrows, so I'm all set. And then I'm going to apply the lipstick that came with the kit. So this is the Patrick Starrr MAC, and this is Patty Pap. This is a really nice color though. So here is the final look. Alright guys, thank you for watching. So yeah, that's it, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.